Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to share a Notion page with others. Whether you're collaborating on a project with teammates or sharing resources with clients, Notion makes it easy to control who has access to your content and what they can do with it. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, navigate to the workspace in Notion where your page is located. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one before proceeding. Once you're there, open the specific Notion page you want to share. This could be a project document, a meeting notes page, or any other content you've created. Now look up to the top right corner of your page and click on the Share button. This is your central hub for all sharing options and permissions. When the sharing menu opens, you'll see two main ways to share your page. If you want to make your page accessible to anyone who has the link, select Share and then toggle on anyone on the web with the link. This creates a public link that you can share freely, making it perfect for content that doesn't require login credentials. If you prefer to invite specific people instead, you'll use the invite field. Simply enter their email addresses or start typing their names if they're already in your Notion workspace. This method gives you more control over exactly who can access your page. Next, you'll need to set permissions for each person you've invited. Click on the permission dropdown next to their name and choose whether they can view, comment, or edit the page. This flexibility ensures that everyone has the appropriate level of access for their role. If you want your invitees to be able to make changes to the page, you can toggle Allow Editing on. If you enabled the public link option earlier, make sure to copy that share link. You can then distribute this link through email, messaging apps, or any other communication channel you prefer. Finally, once you've configured all your sharing settings and permissions, click Done to finish the process. Your page is now shared according to your specifications, and everyone you've invited will receive the appropriate access. Thanks for watching.